All right, and now since we don't have a fan, my coolant temp's getting a little warmer than I'd like. So once it hits 200, we're gonna shut it off. I think we have at least a base point here. I'm gonna shut it off now and we're gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna work on the cooling system. Okay, everything's been tidied up to the best of my ability. The car is running. However, when you hit the gas, it stumbles a little bit, but I don't know if that's part of the tuning process or not. Either way, I think it's time that we upgrade this cooling system. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the new radiator. Hopefully this is the right one. Find out. Guessing these are relays for the fans. Oh yeah, she looking good. Once again, I want to give a huge shout out to Alloyworks for sending me this. They didn't have to, but they wanted to. Yeah, if you guys haven't yet, go check them out. Alloyworks, link is going to be in the description below. Honestly, these are very affordable for what they are. I think this one runs about $300 if I'm not mistaken. I'll double check, but yeah, I think it's about $300, and like this thing looks nice. I mean, welds aren't like particularly impressive or anything, but I mean, you can tell that that's at least handmade. I'll give it that. But I mean, other than that, it's a very economical aluminum radiator. They have them for a lot of makes and models, so definitely go check out Alloyworks. But let's get this bad boy popped in here. I'm gonna start draining coolant. You know, we'll get this bad boy in here. And voila, brand new aluminum 4-row radiator. We just got to wire up those fans, which they did include a nice little relay kit for. They also included a temp sensor in case you wanted to switch this off of the temp sensor. Not exactly sure how to do that, but nonetheless, they gave it to you. Yeah, this thing is actually really nice. It didn't actually fit 100%. As you can see, like, we're a little wonky, but I don't think that's the company's fault. When they asked me what year and make of vehicle, I said a 76 C30. They said we don't have one for that, and I said okay, well then give me a 76 C10, thinking all square bodies are the same. Turns out that the C30 one might be a little bit taller. I don't know, you square body guys, let me know in the comments if that's the case. Either way though, I mean, I just put a couple blocks underneath it, and I know what you guys are thinking about using the wood blocks. You're probably thinking, Giovanni, when did this turn into a SEMA build? But I promise you guys, I'm not getting fancy on you. It's just to make the radiator work. But anyhow, this is all in here. It's solid, like it's not going anywhere. The next thing we have to do, like I said, is hook up those relays to control the fans, and that should be about it. We should be done.